Hi everybody, what we're going to try to do today is use the box blade to take a hump out of the ground here. I recently had a backhoe in with a jackhammer attachment on it, and we took that boulder there down by about 2/3. We pushed that rock over to the right side and it's given me additional parking. So today we're going to go through here. I don't know what we're going to hit or expect, but what I've done is lowered the scarifiers as low as they go. I'm going to tilt the box blade forward a little bit, and we're going to go through here and take a few passes, obviously running into that boulder, but I'd like to just kind of level this out before I put some crushed stone on it. So here we go.
So my plan is to take the box blade across the front where this boulder used to exist and scarify this up, and then using the front end loader take a few inches off and make it match the existing parking lot. As I got near the boulder, you can see the blonde area underneath the rear tractor wheels right now. That's how far out that boulder used to extend, and we jackhammered all that away so I can get more parking area there. So I was a little nervous as I got close to that boulder to see what it would catch or grab or pull up. Just a reminder there, the box blade weighs 275 pounds, and I wouldn't mind having a little heavier one. It'd be nice to have something in the 400 or 500 pound range. That would be ideal, I think. But it's doing a very nice job. You can see it's grabbing some pieces of limestone there and pulling them up. And I think the key here is to go very slow. I'm just taking my time and seeing what's going to catch and grab and pull up, and I don't want to bend anything. You know, the box blade to me is kind of a luxury tool. It's there when I need it. I don't use it a whole lot, but it sure is nice when I want to go down and do a little grading like this, that it's there to use. You can see I cut a larger stone there, give it a little tug, and I realized it's a little bit heavier than I want to pull on, so we're going to try it here later with another pass. There's some more chunks that we hit. Now I changed my direction, so I'm going to go 90 degrees to what my original pass was, hoping to just scarify up a little bit. I'm raising it towards my existing parking lot there, try to feather that out and bring that all together. I plan on bringing a couple loads of 3/4 inch road rock in and just making my parking lot bigger. There's a little bit bigger stone. Again, going slow, really no harm to the box blade, just take my time and maneuver it around and pick up those pieces and drag them away. I think for a tractor this size, this category 1, the 1025 really does a nice job. It's got adequate horsepower and really does a nice job grading this out for me. My only regret is I didn't have one of these many years ago. So with that done, I'm going to use the front end loader, and I'm going to take off that top area there I've scarified loose. and we're going to haul that up the driveway to an area where I'm having some erosion problems, and we're going to dump that over the edge of the hill here. Now this is another advantage of the 1025, it's maneuverability. I want to be careful there of getting too close to that edge, so you can see I'm dropping it on the asphalt, and then as I back and turn, the stone falls off. Then I come through a little bit later with the rear blade and plowed it off and let it fall over the side. But look at how easy the 1025 maneuvers around that driveway. That's probably about 12 feet wide in there. So a couple more passes back at the area scarified. Here I'm over on top of that original stone. So I'm pulling quite a bit off of there and getting it to the level I want.
Now I've raised the scarifiers. I don't want those to be in play at this time, and I tilted the box blade aft backwards. So now I'm going to drag this a little bit and just kind of back drag it and see what results we have.
So you can see the angle's been changed there. See how there's more weight on that rear blade on the rear of the box blade. Now I'm just going to drag it across there a few times and smooth that out. A couple passes with the front end loader, and I think we're going to have a good project here. Well, there you go. I couldn't really be happier, couldn't be much happier. It's all blended out together, and in the next couple of videos coming out, I'm going to show you how I spread the loose gravel around there and expanded my parking lot quite a bit. So, real happy with it. I think it really did a nice job, and the box blade's really handy. Well, thanks everybody for watching my videos. I really appreciate it, and thanks to all my new subscribers for subscribing. I really appreciate it. Enjoy your spring. We'll talk to you soon.